Good morning. The topic for June 5th is using a pendulum. The pendulum is one of a great variety of methods of divination and can be asked questions to which the answer is yes or no. Whilst many beautiful pendulums can be purchased, almost any weight suspended on a string or thread will act as a pendulum so long as it hangs freely. As with many tools of the craft, it can be better if you can find or make your own. Look for a stone with a hole in it and then suspend it on a piece of violet thread. Before using your pendulum, you should set it, that is, find the way in which it will respond. Ideally, you should do this before every use. First, hold the string in your strong hand, the right if you are right-handed, and suspend it over your other hand. Hold it as steady as you can and then think of the strongest yes you can. Observe the way the pendulum moves, whether it is back and forth, left and right, or round in a circle. Once you are sure you have established yes, stop the pendulum and clear your mind. Now repeat the process with the strongest no you can visualize, again observing the pendulum's direction of movement. Now you are ready to ask your questions. Remember to phrase it in such a way that the answer can only be yes or no. If you should get a different kind of movement, then try again. But if it persists, it could be that the answer is maybe, or that you are not meant to know. The quote at the bottom of the page says, "If you are not certain you want the answer, don't ask the question." Again, the topic of January 5th is using a pendulum. Thank you for taking the time to learn with me today. This is a reminder to go out and be a person, and I hope you have the day you deserve. Bye.